You should use a drink that helps to remove all the toxic substances and harmful materials from your body that might have accumulated from the previous day. It should cleanse your body from the inside. After that, you can proceed with your breakfast. What benefit will this give you? The benefit is that for people with diabetes, even after having breakfast, it will help control their blood sugar. It means that even 2 hours after breakfast, your sugar levels may stay under control and near normal. Another benefit is that it detoxifies other parts of your body, like your kidneys and liver, helping you stay safe from various diseases. So today, I will tell you about some drinks that you can consume before breakfast. These drinks will not only help in controlling or reversing your diabetes, but also help control other issues like cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and more. These drinks should be consumed before breakfast. What are they, how to use them, and how to make them? Let's see all of that in today's video. Let's start our video. First, my favorite drink, which I have been using for years, is simple lemon water with chia seeds. The simple way to make this is to take room temperature water, not cold or from the fridge, and add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it turns into a gel-like consistency. After that, add lemon to it and mix it well. Then add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, not regular white salt. Mix it all together and drink it. Now, what are the benefits of this? The salt activates the electrolytes in your body. When these electrolytes are activated, your body will feel energized and less sluggish. The lemon will detoxify your body, clean your stomach, wash your kidneys and liver, and remove all the toxins from your body. This drink also helps control your diabetes, lower cholesterol levels in your arteries, control blood pressure, and regulate blood sugar. So lemon water with chia seeds is really beneficial. Drink it 30 minutes before breakfast every day. It will give you a lot of benefits. Number 2, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been used for thousands of years for various health issues, and people still use it today. When using it, it should be 100% natural, meaning it should not contain any added sugars, chemicals, or artificial flavors. It should be pure and organic. When used properly, it helps reduce cholesterol levels, control blood pressure, regulate blood sugar, improve your digestive system, and lower uric acid. To make it, take a glass of water, room temperature or slightly warm, and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it well and drink it. You can drink this every day or alternate between lemon water and apple cider vinegar. Both will be very beneficial. Trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Number 3, mint. Take a few mint leaves and grind them with a glass of water. Once it turns into a water-like consistency, add a little salt. Then add half a lemon and some chia seeds or basil seeds. Mix well and drink it. The mint will detoxify your body, and the lemon with its vitamin C will reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and help control diabetes. So these are 3 drinks that when consumed on an empty stomach in the morning will help you control your sugar levels throughout the day. You can rotate between these drinks or have the same one for the whole week according to your preference. But definitely use them as they will benefit you without any harm. I hope you understand it well. Stay happy and take care. God willing, we will meet again tomorrow. Take care of yourself